Testament. God cannot die. But God had to taste death, had to die in a body called flesh. Because in a spiritual body, he couldn't die. But he had to take the flesh in order to die in the flesh. And that is what, saying this with respect, what the Jewish cannot take and the Muslims cannot take. But that is a revelation to the Christians.
The question is, if you are again, what is he then trying to achieve?
That is a brilliant question. And that question is 1 out of a million. You know what it means? It's not every Tom, Dick, and Harry who has an access to that question. You have gifted mentality. Ayo Metula Plangata is powerful. Now let me tell you what he achieves. How sad? I'm going to tell you. You see, God, the war between the devil and God was over one thing, the soul. God all along was trying to achieve the soul, because the soul that God gained is a soul that the devil loses. And the soul that the devil loses is a soul that God gained. It's a win or lose. So uNkulunkulu ngoba bekathanda no Adam, Adam will go to hell if I don't make a plan. So Adam was created the image of God, and in order for God to redeem us to our original position, he had to come down in the image of a human being. That is why the Muslims cannot take that. They can't digest that. And the Jews cannot digest that. But we do, because they don't have a revelation. It's not given unto them. It's been given unto us. Now what happened? When Adam started to grow, there was no headache. That is why in the book of Revelation says, there's a song, Nyapimba wazukule, marinengoma le 18. There will be no sorrow, there will be no pain. There's a land, popular land. So when you carry on with the song, they say, but the song says there won't be a heartache, there won't be a headache. Yeah, okay, let me carry on. Let me carry on. Now what happened? Adam nakatala, he started to have headache. He started to have pain. He started to have the body ache. Those things were not there. That's why Revelation promised it. So God wanted his being back, Adam. Hence he came in the form of a human being to redeem another human being, but was concerned about the soul and the spirit in the human being. He wanted to achieve that, because if he did not do that, the devil was going to achieve that. So God had to counterattack against that. Let me come into this form and win this form. Now, can I read on? Shalom, Sanbonani, how are you? God bless you, 100. This is Jabbar. My numbers are 07325193111. And my YouTube is General Eagle Jabbar. I repeat, General Eagle Jabbar. You write General, you make a space. You write Eagle, you make a space. You write Jabbar. Jabbar is J-A-B-A-R. My TikTok is the same. You write at General Eagle Jabbar with small letters. My numbers are, my cell phone numbers in WhatsApp, 0732519311. And my Spotify is General Eagle Jabbar